And so everyone, if you remember my last Simple Planes video, you remember that in the beginning I said that I would check out one of the most realistic planes ever created for this game, called the SWL-10. And while I was editing, if you watched that whole video through, I decided to turn that showcase into a whole new video, and that's what this video is. Because today, everyone, I am checking out the SWL-10. Let's begin. Okay, everyone, so here we are spawned in. Now, if you are wondering why everything looks like potato quality in the game, it is because this aircraft is so complex that I have to play this game at the lowest settings to be able to get a stable frame rate. That's how insane this plane is. But yeah, here we have a good look of the aircraft from the outside view. Let's go have a look at the cargo hold, because yes, it has a cargo hold. That's how dummy realistic this thing is. Let's have a look inside of the cockpit. So here is the cockpit. We don't even have shadows, guys. That's how much I've had to dull down this. But yeah, this is the absolutely bonkers realistic cockpit. I meant to when I said this was the most realistic plane ever designed, because it really is. In fact, I'm going to hide the instruments because we do not need them. I mean, we have all of the instruments we need right in front of us. If you want to play this if you want to use a plane in VR, I would highly recommend the SWL-10 for its absolutely insane realism. I mean, if you go into the captain seat, we can literally open the goddamn cockpit door. I don't know how to fly this, so I'm just gonna say that. I'm just gonna do what I think would be good. I think I turn on the engines here. It might sound like they're on, but they are not on. Turn on the fuel here. Main. Turn on the tank pumps. Yeah, we even have fire levers. We're gonna see if those actually work today. I guess. There we go. Things are happening. So you need to get the APU on. Do you hear that? That's the damn APU. We just started the APU. Alright. Here we go. We start the plane. We start the plane. Yeah, let's just go ahead and take off. From cockpit view. Here we go. Don't worry about what I'm doing here. Oh gosh. Let's flash down. Here we go. Here we go. Taking off. We've took off. Alright, oh crap, what's the gear? Where's the landing gear? Let's go into co-pilot. Retracting landing gear, look at that! I might have accidentally turned off the hydraulics. Where's the landing gear going up? Oh, gear, there we go. There we go. It's retracted. That's how realistic this is. We literally need landing gear hydraulics and stuff. But yeah, here we are. Flying the SWL-10. So, this thing apparently even has fully working autopilot. Apparently. Like altitude, V-speed. I have no idea what any of this does. I have no idea what any of this does. Oh, I accidentally just extended the landing gear. Let's put the flaps about there. Alright, everyone. Zuben Gaming is about to come in for a landing in the most realistic plane ever developed for simple planes. And if you wanted to check out more realistic planes like this, let me know in the comments. Engine 1 fire. By engine 1 fire, do you mean engine 1 is gone? I'm kind of a bad lander in this game. I don't land very often. I did play Microsoft Flight Simulator though, so I do know how to land a plane. Stuff right out there. Right, let's just go and deliberately try and get one of the propellers damaged. Maybe set it on fire. Let's try this again now. Can this plane actually fly like this? I think it can. I think it can. No way. Alright, let's try and land again. This time from third person. Yeah, look at the texture change for the water. Like I say, this thing is so complex that it literally breaks my phone. Like, I will show you what this does to my phone at like everything's at max, like I normally have it. Here we go. Oh, that was a rough landing. It's just nosy. Oh! Oh my gosh, the nose landing gear is gone. The nose landing gear is gone. And let's see if we can... Come on. You know you want to do it. Oh, this might do it. Come on. I want to see if the engine fire thing actually works. Oh, we're dying. Alright, so let's see if we can genuinely get an engine to be set on fire here. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so everything is gone. The plane is gone. I don't know why we're rolling to the left. We should probably be rolling to the right due to physics. Oh, here we go. We're dead. We are so dead that we have fallen through the map. Alright. There we go. And that should, if we just do a little bit of this. There we go. Okay. It appears that didn't work. Let's try again. I'm putting in this much work, guys, just so I can see if things work. So, air to air. Alright, the engine is on fire. Clearly. It is still on fire. It is still on fire. So there probably is. It probably does work. It's just that at the moment I can't really be bothered to test it. I'm guessing it does work though. And it's just that you need to start up the aircraft for it to actually begin working. Let's just do this. This is what I love about simple planes. The realism in like the smoke effects and whatnot. Even on the lowest graphics, we still have realistic smoke effects. I'm gonna die here. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. So yeah, that is the SWL-10, but I do want to check up on my what in the... Okay, this looks really weird. The cockpit looks quite nice, but what in the name did I do to these engines? Why are they so large? Holy moly. Yeah, if you guys want me to continue building this MiG, the MiG, let me know down in the comments. But let's have a look at the cockpit. It's very empty, it's quite empty by the look of it. It's very empty. But at least this looks nice. It's very matte. If you want to download the SWL-10, there will be a link down in the description, although you will need to have Simple Planes downloaded and bought in order to actually use it and fly around. You can actually use it in VR. I would probably recommend using it in VR because, you know, it's a bit more of a realistic flight experience. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day, everybody.